So the Grafton Day Stay Joint Replacement Project, essentially as the name suggests, is for eligible patients who's having a knee replacement or hip replacement to go home on the same day.
Going home on the day of surgery is quite a new thing for hip and knee replacements, particularly in Australia. Grafton was one of the first sites in the country to be able to do it.
For our peer hospital, the equivalent average length of stay for knee replacement would be roughly about 3.76 days. So the day stay program is allowing patients that are eligible to go home on the same day.
The whole experience of the day stay was fantastic, can't complain. I can't speak any more highly of them, it was so professional.
Part of our research has found that there's no negative outcomes of this shorter stay, and patients really enjoy being able to get out of hospital and home quicker.